Ma'am, I understand.
So, good morning, children. Here we can start a new chapter, that is chapter lesson 10, space travel. Okay, it is all about as the name indicates, you all may know what may be that chapter, what may be about that chapter.
All about space.
Okay,
All
about the
about
space. Are you interested? Are you excited?
Yes, I
Yes.
love space very
Okay,
much.
so very much. So take your rough book first. Wait. 1 minute. Okay, take your rough book first, children.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the activity.
Okay, wait. The activity, class test, that all we can check it, we can do it. Plus, but please wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what is today's date? 24/11/21. Okay, so chapter number 10. What is the name of the chapter? Space travel. So I request you all to take your rough book and write down this chapter number and name. Because in between, otherwise you will ask, which chapter that we are taking, ma'am? I should not get like that questions. Okay, because when we are attending a class, you are responsible to know which class you are, which lesson you are learning. Isn't it, Akhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Devadat, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Akhil, what is the name of the chapter we are going to learn?
Space travel.
Space travel. That is all about the space. Okay, that is, yes, that
Ma'am,
is all.
I love to learn about space.
So here it is all mysterious, isn't it? Huh? Mysteries are there, lot of mysteries are there about the space. So first of all, we can understand, we should know what is space. Then only we can learn. Kashinath, are you interested to know about space?
Yes, ma'am.
Then sit properly. I can see that you are lying down on the sofa. Sit properly. See, these whole things, so many mysteries are hidden in the space. I felt it like so. How do you feel? Huh? Can we see all the things in the space? First of all, we should know what is space. Isn't it? What is space? Yes. Who can tell me what is space? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What is space? Just think about it. What is space? Space mission. You have learned rockets. These all are going there. Huh? But yes, who can tell me about space? It is nothing is there in the textbook. Okay, Advait. Let me give
Space
chance
is a
to
place.
Advait. Wait, Advait.
Space is a place there is no oxygen.
Oh, good. A space is a place where there is no air.
Gravity.
Okay, that is very important. Yeah. Space is a place
There
where
is
there is
gravity.
no air.
Gravity.
Gravity. Okay, air in the sense we can understand. See, Farhan, Randir, Joseph, Namsia, Partha, then Ivan, Matthew, Akshit, Ashwin, these all videos are not on. I want to see them. Christo, Rendir, Farhan, I can't see their face. I want to see their face.
Ma'am, my catching my textbook. That's why. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
That is it a cracking, children? Others?
No, ma'am.
Check your audio. Rendir, I want to see your face. I can see the ceiling of your wall.
Yes, ma'am, I'm catching my textbook. That's why.
Why you are catching, you can keep it in one place.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? Okay, you are holding, not catching, holding. Okay. Okay. So here, children, you can see that space, it is all so many mysteries are there, unknown things are there in space. So some of them said space is something where there is no air. Okay, so we know if we go there, we can't breathe. Am I sure? Am I right? Yes, we can't breathe. There is no air. We won't get oxygen. Very good. Somebody told, get the permission before you talk. Mute. So next one, somebody told no gravity. No gravity. So let me explain about that word gravity. Okay, so write it down, gravity. So Megha told there is no gravity on space. So Megha, can you tell me what do you mean by gravity?
There is no oxygen level.
Okay, that I know, I understood. Oxygen
And we can
is
fly. We can
okay.
jump
As there
higher.
is no oxygen, that is why we can fly.
No.
No. Okay, as there is no oxygen, we can't breathe easily. We need some breathing equipments. Isn't it? Breathing equipments. Okay. So what do you mean by gravity, Megha?
Ma'am, gravity means it will be like we can jump higher and also we can fly.
Fly. Gravity is something, some near to that point, but not clear. So who can tell me about gravity? Raise your hand. Who can tell me about gravity? Raise your hand. Okay, Kashi, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me about something about gravity.
Ma'am, in space there is no gravity.
Okay, so what will happen?
So we can fly around.
Okay, we can fly around. Very good, very good. So I want to know what is mean by gravity. What do you mean by gravity?
Gravity helps us to stand. That we can wait.
Akashi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me once again.
Gravity helps us.
Help us to? Gravity help us to? Gravity help us to stay on the ground. Am I right, children? Ashwin, what do you know about gravity, Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am. Gravity is like a sea. We can swim like that.
Huh? We can sing. No. See, children. Say Niranjana. Okay, one more chance to Niranjana. Kashi, when I asked you, you become stuck on it. Now again it is stuck. Okay, I don't know whether it is natural stuck or artificial stucking. You know about gravity, Kashi? What all you told, it is correct. No. Okay, Niranjana, tell me.
Ma'am, if there is no gravity, it would be light and everything starts to fly around.
Okay, so here children, let me explain gravity. See, I am just wait. I am just taking this pen. You can see. If I am throwing it up, that may, I know it may come down, isn't it? Whatever things I am throwing it up, okay, that all will come down. You also have the same experience, right? Yes. So what makes it to come everything on the ground? Why this pouch is not flying? Why this pouch is not flying to up?
Because of the
There is gravity.
Okay, so gravity means Earth has a force of attraction on all the objects on its surface. Earth has a force of attraction. It attracts, it takes, pulls. It pulls everything on its atmosphere, on its surface, Okay. So what, Partha, what you want? Who is that?
Ma'am, there was a.
What you want, Devadatt?
Ma'am, it is like a magnet.
It is like a magnet. Okay, somewhat. Okay, so here children, what all things are there on the surface of the earth? These all things were pulled by the earth on its center, towards its center. So if we are jumping, we will come down on the surface itself. If we are throwing this, anything upward direction, that all will come down. Okay, so if the cat is jumping from any of the height, from any of the trees or from any of the building, where it will come? Where it will, yeah, it will come to down.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I have a doubt.
where it, whatever things we are, or whatever the things are going upward direction from the surface of the earth, that may come down on the surface due to the pull of the earth. That pull on the other substance is called gravity. That pull by the earth on all the objects, all the substances on the surface of the earth is called gravity. But when we are going in space, the distance between the earth and the space is so high. Understood? The distance between the earth and the space, that is so long. So that pull will not feel on the space. The pull will not feel on the space. That is why on space there is no gravity. There is no pull by the attractive force or pull by the earth on the object. That is why we can fly, we can't sit, we can't do anything there. We will be just like floating on that atmosphere, on that space.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Clear? Okay. Yes,
Floating on
Devadatt. What is your doubt, Devadatt?
Ma'am, there is any place where no gravity in earth?
There is a space where no gravity on earth. See,
Yeah.
on earth the gravity will be there, but the altitude of the gravity will be less. Okay, on some places, like I am not sure about it, in class 9 physics you will learn about this. Okay, where the gravity is less, I think on the poles or somewhere less. There is no place on the earth where the gravity becomes zero. Okay, gravity is there on the earth. Yes, Akil.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Akil,
Activity.
is it the time to discuss about activity? Huh? So this is what we which one? Space. Okay, so space means I will show the around the earth. Around the earth there is a layer of air. Okay, around the earth there is so many layers of air.
Ma'am, you're
That
stuck.
layers of air around the earth is called atmosphere. That is called atmosphere. So let me share you the picture of the atmosphere.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute. Yes.
Ma'am, in space, gravity is not controllable.
Not
Controllable.
the gravity is not there. That is why. Okay.
Not that, ma'am. In space, gravity is not controllable.
Controllable.
Humans can't control and stand in the gravity
Why
of space.
humans can't control their movements on space? Because their gravity is not experiencing. That is what I explained. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. If you see can you see this picture, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this picture, can you see this picture?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. In this picture, you can see the surface
Ma'am,
of
can
the.
you little zoom?
Okay, is it enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in this picture, you can see the earth here. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so earth is there. On the surface of the earth, you can see hills, mountains, volcanoes, these all you can see there. So
And
now you understood. Yeah, now you understood the surface of the earth. We are all living on the surface of the earth. So here, around the earth, there are so many layers of air. Okay, we can't see it. We can't see it because air, we can't see air, we can't smell it. Hmm? So there are many layers of air around the earth. That layers of air around the earth are called atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere means layers of air around the earth. So in higher class, you will learn according to the nature of the air, according to the nature of the air, we can divide the atmosphere into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 6 types of layers. Okay, in class 7, 8 standard, you will learn in geography about this in detail. So here what you want to learn, around the earth, around the earth, there is so many layers of air. Got it? So that layers of air around the earth, we can call it as atmosphere.
atmosphere.
Okay, atmosphere. So the second word that we learned it today, that is atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Okay, atmosphere. So A, T, everyone write it. Atmosphere.
First.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere means layers of air around the earth. Layers
Of
of air
around the earth.
around the earth. Okay, layers of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Farhan, what is the spelling of atmosphere?
Atmosphere.
Once again, read the spelling of atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Okay, Namsia, what do you mean by atmosphere?
Layers of
Layers of.
layers of air around the earth.
Okay, layers of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, so here, in this picture, let me show that picture. You can see different layers of air. When we are going away from the surface of the earth, that the density or the quantity of the air may become less. Quantity of the air become less. Understood? So you can see here, planes are flying. Can you see that one? Planes are flying.
Yes.
So from the surface of the earth up to 25 or to 50 kilometers, the planes can fly. So where we can... Who is disturbing in between? Advait, what you want, Advait?
I have injection today.
You have injection. So now.
Now he is taking vaccine.
Wait.
Yes.
So is this the way to tell about, to inform about this in between the class? You can message me before that. Isn't it? You are really wasting the others'
Sorry,
time.
ma'am.
I have to stop the class in between. If you have injections, say children, if you have any appointments, anything, that is quite natural. But you can inform it in the class group, inform to the class teacher. So at the time you can leave the class. So here you can see children. Wait. You can see, yes. See, you can see the planes are flying. That is from the 20 or 25 to 50 kilometers away from the surface of the earth. You can see the helicopters or planes are flying. Can you see this in the picture? So that we can see, isn't it? So above that, we are not able to see. Above that, the space, above that in the atmosphere, some places are there where the meteors are coming to there. After that, they will burn and come to the earth, fall onto the earth.
Excuse me,
Then-
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that photo, there is more atmospheres.
That is why I told Ashwin, from the surface of the earth to millions of kilometers, atmosphere is spreading from there. Okay, according to the quantity of the air, we are dividing the air
sometimes-
into different parts. We gave names to different parts of that atmosphere. The
Okay,
part of the what you want, Gurujit?
And I joined now only. I had a power failure. So can you explain once again?
So here you can see from the surface of the earth, you can see the helicopters up to 10 to 50 kilometers away from the surface of the earth. We can see the helicopters. Above that atmosphere, helicopters are not moving, not going. Above that, we can see the star, something stars like things are coming to that place. Can you see that mesosphere?
War star.
Those are called meteors.
meteor.
Okay, meteors are the parts of some heavenly bodies such as plants, these and all. So up to that atmosphere, up to that mesosphere, only these meteors will be there. After that, they will burn and fall on the earth. Okay, just above the mesosphere, we can see the satellites and all. You have seen it, isn't it? Yeah. So in television channel, so where the satellites, these all are present, that is far away from the surface of the earth. That is also the part of atmosphere. Above that, air is not present. Okay, that open space is called space. That open place is called space.
Space.
Where we can see the heavenly bodies like stars, sun, planets, these all things.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
So wait, so these all different layers of atmosphere, after that open place, that on that open place, what is present? What is present on that open place?
Space.
What is present on that open place?
Heavenly body.
Heavenly bodies
Heavenly
such
body.
as sun, stars,
Satellite.
different planets, these all things. Clear? So one more picture is there. So after showing that one, if you have any other doubt, see
Am I
another. Yes, Devadatt, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, if we go to a big mountain and we reach the top, we will not get oxygen.
No, the quantity of the oxygen will be less. See, Devadatt and others, please listen. Please see this next picture. Can you see the next picture? Should I zoom it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this one, wait. In this one, can you see the bottom layer of the atmosphere, troposphere?
Yes.
Can
Yes.
you see the Mount Everest there?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you understood. Mount Everest is also very high from the surface of the earth, isn't it? Mount Everest.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So That place is also under the atmosphere. That also contains in atmosphere. Just
Ma'am, it
above
will
the,
oxygen.
no, quantity of the oxygen will be less. Okay. And above the mountain Everest also these planes can fly. That means from the surface of the earth 6 to 20 kilometers away. Up to their plane, planes can fly on the atmosphere. After that, only weather balloons, hot balloons can travel. Okay. No,
Ma'am, I
not
have
these
a doubt.
planes. After that, after above this stratosphere, we are giving names to different types of the atmosphere. Okay, so layer which is near to the surface of the earth is called troposphere. Above that, stratosphere, mesosphere, then thermosphere, exosphere, that is the space. Okay, so here meteors and all in the mesosphere, below that, when they reaches on the other surface, they may burn.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay,
Yes.
ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, why we are getting oxygen when we are in the plane? That is how, when what why we are getting oxygen when we are on the plane. It
Okay.
is flying in the high. Yeah,
Higher than the Mount Everest,
yeah,
as in the pictures it is showing here, isn't
yeah,
it? So,
yeah.
as in the level of the oxygen is maintained in the planes. Okay, using some instruments, the level of the oxygen is maintained. So we can breathe there. See, those are climbing the Mount Everest and all. Some are are there. They can climb this Mount Everest, isn't it? How they are able to do it? Because they are carrying oxygen cylinders, likewise equipments with them. Okay. So just think about it, children. Be above the Mount Everest or above the other atmosphere, parts of the atmosphere, will we be able to breathe? No. With the equipments also, it will be very difficult. Okay, so here you can see space shuttles. Then above that space shuttle, it is a open space. That is the space where we can see the heavenly bodies. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we want to know about space. If we want to know about space, means we want to travel to the space, isn't it? Isn't it? So can we be able to travel to the space using our aeroplanes or
Yes. No.
yes, yes, Kristo?
Rocket.
Okay, rockets. Okay,
Then we can.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Then we
Okay.
can travel
Wait,
to
wait,
the
wait,
space.
wait,
You
wait.
also.
Ma'am, I have a
Kristo,
doubt.
Muhammad Adnan, Partha Sarathi, Ivana, Akil, Zaiba. Switch on your videos.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Kristo, I want to see your face. Where is Kristo? He left.
No, ma'am, he's there.
Mute your audio. Everyone mute your audio. Yes, Niranjana.
Ma'am, it is a doubt about the galaxy.
Galaxy.
Yes. Our galaxy's name is Milky Way. So,
Milky.
what is the name of the neighboring galaxy?
So different names are given to the different galaxies. Okay, so I am not sure about the names, and today I
And there is
read it.
thousands of galaxies.
Yeah, today in the newspaper I read another another set of galaxies also found out. Okay, so likewise, Milky Way is the galaxy where we live. In the same way, some other galaxies also are there. They are all sun, planets, other heavenly bodies. These all are present.
Ma'am,
So,
we don't know.
yeah,
It
studies
may be
are going
Mother
on.
Earth.
Studies
It may be
are going
Mother
on.
Earth.
So next one, so you saw the different layers of the atmosphere. Then see rockets, isn't it? High speed rockets, as we can't travel to the space through the aeroplanes. We need high speed. What is the name of this vehicle?
High speed rocket.
Rocket.
Okay, rockets. Okay, so
Rockets.
yes, take your rough book. Take your rough book, children. So rockets. What is the spelling of rockets?
ROCKET.
Okay. Next word, ROCKET. Rocket or rockets. Okay. So here, rockets are one of these spacecraft. Okay. Wait. So first of all, let me introduce the term aircraft.
Aircraft.
Aircraft. Okay, aircraft. Aircraft means the vehicles through which we can, by which we can travel through air. That is called aircraft. Isn't it, Lionel? Isn't it? The vehicles that help us to travel through air. That is called aircraft. So, Lionel, can you give example for one vehicle that, for example, for aircraft? Example for aircraft.
Hot balloon.
Lionel, example for one aircraft that help us to travel through air.
Ma'am, it is simple.
Gurujit,
A rocket.
not rockets.
Ma'am, there was
A space shuttle.
Plane.
No, plane,
Ma'am, there was
plane.
Plane.
aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
And I will take the, yeah, activity is there. Then I will take the test also. Today evening, I will try to send it. Okay. If it is not possible, tomorrow. Okay, okay, keep it with you. Keep it with you. Okay. So shall I end the class? Thank you. Bye.